Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite people to your document to edit it on the Adobe Fresco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select a document that you have created from either your home page from the recent section, or if you tap on the files button down below, you can also select a document. After it is loaded in, click on the three dots icon at the top of the screen, tap on invite to edit, and once the share document page has loaded in, you can tap on this box to invite people. So you can type in their email address or their name if they use this application, but you can also send a link to them by clicking on the send link button, and here you can send it via airdrop, via messages, or other social networking sites. If you have chosen the messages, you should select the person from your contacts, and here you have a message: I've shared an Adobe Fresco document with you, and the link itself via which they can reach the document and edit it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.